Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we're going to analyze marathon digital chart. So the marathon digital chart is very strong. There are moves. If you can observe it on the longer term, these are giving us some positive vibes over a period of time. So let's see what are the important aspects that we can probably see in this chart, and then we are going to analyze it afterwards. So the first thing that you can see is a breakout, okay, and this breakout has happened at a very important level. Why it is so? So if you are analyzing the chart from 2016 to 17, a big fall, then a retest, then a bigger fall till 2020, and then a sharp recovery. And from the lows of 2020, it already went up by 15,000%. So it's a staggering amount of rise that the stock has shown in the past 1 year. Now, because it is sustaining above $40, so 40.24 will be your stop loss. Or if you want to stretch yourself a bit, that's fine, but in that case consider $20 as your stop loss. So as you can see, the choice is yours whether you can stick to your strict stop loss, because from 40 to $20 is just a 50% decline. So better be aware about the trend. And because we are looking at a monthly chart, so both the levels or the points are far away from one another. So it's up to you. Those who can take risk, they can consider $20 as your stop loss, and those who are not comfortable taking big risk, then use $40, 40.24 as your immediate support as well as your stop loss. Now, one more thing to look at here is this level, which is 55.87. Now 55.87 will not only be your next target but also be the resistance beyond which we can say that the levels will open up. Okay, so 55.87 will be the short term level that we are going to look at. Now after 55.87 or $56, we will definitely have two more levels to look at. So the levels which we are looking at beyond $56 will be 113.75, and we have $166. So these are the two levels that we are looking at beyond 113 and 166. But the question is whether or is this the end of the story at $166? Okay, because if you are observing the chart, more specifically this highlighted section, so this is like a double bottom. You can clearly see a big W that has formed, and if you haven't yet seen, then let me show it to you. So this is the first part. Yes, and this one. So you can see clearly this is just a consolidation, and once that over, the move will be something like this. So the question is this the end of the story at 166? Because we don't have any chart beyond that. So answer is no. And if there is a breakout beyond $166, we will definitely have some sharp moves, and probably the sharp move started happening after $56 itself. We need not to go for $166, that's anyhow far away. So beyond 166, if I may stretch my target in the longer term, then what I will do, I will calculate this point to this point, and I can see a 2000% worth of move. So I can also expect something like this. I can expect something like this, but it will happen only if the stock goes beyond 166, $167 in the longer term. If that happens, then the bigger target that we are looking at will probably push the price towards $800. So this is what we are looking at as far as the long term trend is concerned, out of which this big target is completely conditional and will only get activated if the stock sustains above 167. For the time being, we will have our strict stop loss at 40.24, and we will wait for the stock to surpass 56. Once that happens, we have two simple targets, 113 and 166. But the most important thing are these. First, never violate the support and stop loss, and second, you have to be patient enough for these trends to get played out. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.